In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch audio in Cakewalk. Now, I'm going to show you 3 ways to do this, which I do think are the easiest. The first one's going to be to simply click on the audio you want to stretch, and then you want to hold down the Control and Shift key together. So hold down Control and Shift, and you go towards the very edge of your audio. You can simply click and drag, and as you can see, that's going to stretch my audio, and you can see the percentages here in the top right. If I now play this, you'll hear it's actually much more slow. This is just some sample. There we go. So that's the first way to do this. The second one is going to be for detailed stretching. So we can just click on it. And you can also go, and if you double click, it's going to open up these properties. And inside these properties, you want to not go into properties, but here where it says audio snap. Inside audio snap, you want to go and click here where it says enable. And that's going to allow you to kind of customize it as well in here. As you can see these intersections as well. Okay. So that's kind of the way to actually do this. And then over here as well, you can go and change tempos and stuff like that. But this is a bit more advanced, so if you want to go super basic, there's also the third option for you, which I'm going to show you, and it is you can just go and click on your audio, go to process, and click on length. Now from here you can change the length, you can select how much you want. I'm going to do by, for example, 150%, so 150. I'm going to click on stretch audio and then OK. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to stretch my audio as well, okay? But this, of course, is permanent, so yeah, you can make sure you don't do it by mistake. If you do, press Ctrl Z to undo, and that's it. So those are all the ways to stretch your audio in Cakewalk. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.